Hi, this is your chef Nalan Shine. Today I'm going to introduce you one special kind of a recipe that is called Ammachi's Meen Curry. We Malayalis are around the globe and coconut is not available everywhere, and here we are going to make a very special fish curry with carrot. It will be very traditionally prepared, but the only difference is instead of coconut I'm going to use carrot. So let's get ready and start cooking. So we'll start cooking with our very own coconut oil. Yes, you can get the flavors. Yeah. Now we are going to drop ginger and garlic. A small quantity of ginger garlic, which you regularly use it in all fish curries. It's the same drama. Shallots, because we Keralians cook most of our curries with shallots. Now there is fresh coconut oil, ginger, garlic and shallots are getting roasted. I'm going to drop green chili and I love curry leaves. Now it's the time. My hero is going to enter. I'm going to drop carrots. Yeah, and more carrots. A pinch of salt can be always added. Ensure that the carrot will be flavored from the ginger and garlic and the curry leaves which you have added to the clay pot while you roast it. I just feel always when I cook the love of my mother, because she is the ultimate chef of my universe. You should ensure the carrot is golden fried. It has to be golden fried. 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, 3, 4, 5. I just like it spicy. Yeah. Now the very own turmeric. You ensure that it turns a little bit of brownish red. Now the most important ingredient of a Keralian fish curry is fenugreek. A pinch of fenugreek. Now you can see it is on the reddish note. Now the masala for the fish curry is ready. I'm going to introduce a very small tip because I use black pepper. You can put a pinch of black pepper, you see? Because in fish curry, when you get that a black pepper feel, I just love it. It's up to you. It's an option. Now it's ready to grind. Now what I'm going to do is I take this masala, put it in the mixie or grinder and add a little bit of cold water, means normal water, not on the cold note, a room temperature water, because otherwise once you grind it in the mixie, what happened is it will jump out. Yeah, when the clay pot is hot and when the masala is getting prepared, pour some warm water and get all the flavors from the clay pot into the water so that you will not miss any bit of taste which you are preparing. In this water, I'm going to drop tamarind. You see, tamarind. Put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. It's okay. And once your fish curry is ready, don't forget to take it out, otherwise it will be very, very sour. More curry leaves, because when the masala gets grinded, you will not find curry leaves in your curry. Once you plate the fish curry, it's always nice to show off the tamarind, show off the curry leaves, because it's a Keralian curry, right? So ensure that you add a little bit of curry leaves, and it's also very good for your health because curry leaves fights cholesterol. The masala is ready. Wow. Yeah, you can see it has to be thick. Now I'm going to add a little bit of water. In all our curries, you know, we Malayalis love the red color. So anything red. This is the red paprika, or we call it dried chili. You see, just drop it because your curry will look more beautiful. It's not a necessary, but I love my curry to look very traditional. Cook it in a simple manner and celebrate the taste. Meen chura, we call it in Kerala, tuna. Tuna, I'm using tuna fish. You can drop the fish. Wow. When the food is ready, always say, dine like a king.